Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate customer feedback with SurveyMonkey, full guide step by step clearly. To automate customer feedback using SurveyMonkey, start by creating a SurveyMonkey account if you don't have one. Log in to your SurveyMonkey account. On the dashboard, click the Create Survey button. Choose a survey template that fits your needs or start from scratch. Add relevant questions that will provide valuable feedback from your customers. Utilize different question types like multiple choice, rating scales, or open-ended responses to gather diverse insights. Once your questions are set, personalize your survey with your branding elements. Next, proceed to the Collect Responses section. Choose your preferred method for sending the survey, such as email or web link. If using email, upload your customer list or manually enter email addresses for targeted outreach. Customize your email invitation to make it engaging and informative. Under Collect Responses, set up automated reminders to engage customers who haven't yet responded. Select the frequency and timing for these reminders to maximize participation. After setting up the survey and collection, access the Analyze Results section to monitor incoming feedback. Utilize SurveyMonkey's built-in analytics tools to visualize data and identify trends. Create custom reports to summarize findings in a professional format. Consider scheduling regular reviews of feedback to continuously improve customer engagement. If needed, integrate SurveyMonkey with other tools you use, such as CRM systems for streamlined feedback management. After collecting and analyzing feedback, implement the necessary changes based on insights gathered. Finally, communicate changes or improvements back to your customers to show that their feedback is valued. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.